Typically, I don't film the rear view of an RV, but this one is beautiful. It is panoramic in the right Montana mountain setting. Well, the cat's in the cradle with a silver spoon. Little boy dreaming about a man on the moon, wishing that he could be an astronaut soon. And that's what I've been, an adventurous spacesuit man. Back to the original point that the cat's in the cradle with a silver spoon. Donald Trump getting elected was like a man on the moon. There's a lot of crazy things happening when I reflect now and then, and I hope the best outcomes, yeah. I hope that the best outcomes. Well, the cat's in the cradle with a silver spoon. It's a freaky little cat who likes to spoon with silverware, and that line's been parodied enough to make the original singer sick, probably. That son of a bitch.